Long time ago, there was Commander Naaman who was very brave and strong in Syria. Each and every war that Commander Naaman participated in was won. But Commander Naaman, who is great, had a serious disease called leprosy. Commander Naaman never displayed his skin and always covered himself with garments in order to hide his infirmity.
If people know about my leprosy, they will not look up to me.
Commander Naaman sought and tried many ways to heal his leprosy, but it was all useless. One day, the maid was washing his clothes. All of a sudden, she exclaimed,
"Oh, the commander's clothes are full of strange stains. All these symptoms of leprosy? Does the commander have leprosy?"
Little maid who is called away captive from Israel came to know that the commander has leprosy.
If he goes to Prophet Elisha in Samaria, he will be healed.
Little maid ran to Naaman to advise her on the way forward.
"Ma'am, it'll be helpful if the commander goes to the prophet in Samaria. He'll be healed of leprosy."
What? If we visit the prophet in Samaria, the disease that my husband has concealed for so long can be healed? Can I believe the word of this little maid? But if my darling disease can be healed, I will try everything the maid has suggested and believe in God. It is true. If so, I will tell to my husband.
Naaman's wife went to her husband without delay.
Honey, do you remember the little maid brought away captive from Israel? I heard from the little maid that a great prophet is in Samaria. He is said to have healed many diseases. If you go before him, your leprosy can be healed.
What? Is that so? Really my disease can be healed? I will start tomorrow when the day dawns.
The following day, Commander Naaman went to the prophet Elisha in Samaria, accompanied with some servants.
Please, I wish it to be healed of my disease.
During his journey to Samaria, he sincerely hoped that he can be healed his leprosy. At last, he arrived at the prophet Elisha's home.
Hello? Commander Naaman, who is very great in Syria, is here to see the prophet.
Who are you?
Is this the home of Prophet Elisha? We heard that he can heal many diseases, so we have come here. Actually, our commander severe leprosy. Hurry up and tell the prophet we want to meet him.
Prophet said, "Go and wash in Jordan 7 times, and your flesh shall be restored you."
The prophet Elisha didn't come out. Instead, his servant gave a message to them. This situation made Commander Naaman very angry.
Who does he think I am? He could have come out to greet me and at the very least serve me food. Is this how he treats me? Why wash in the Jordan? The Abana and the Pharpar are much better and clean than that. I think I should go back. Let's go back home. I will not tolerate this kind of treatment.
Commander has come here because he wants to be healed his leprosy, but just wants to go back without receiving his healing. Washing in Jordan is not difficult. Just wash. Commander, think again. If you wash in Jordan, you can be healed. For this, you have to do whatever it takes.
That's right. Washing in Jordan is not difficult. Please obey that word.
Commander Naaman decided to hear the voice of servants because servants told to him so many times. Commander Naaman finally arrived in Jordan, took off his clothes and started to wash. Once, twice, 3 times. But his leprosy didn't get healed. Commander Naaman began to doubt.
This is already 6 times, but I can't see any difference. This is the last time. How can I keep lifting it if my leprosy is not healed?
When Commander Naaman washed 7 times, the servant started shouting.
Wow! Commander's skin is like a child's skin. Commander's leprosy is healed. Hooray!
What? Really, I'm healed?
When he looked at his skin, he was surprised. 6 times was not enough, but when he washed 7 times, he was healed completely. Commander Naaman went back to his home and called his wife.
Honey, I'm really healed completely. Look at my skin.
Oh my god, really? Until now we tried everything, but that was all useless. But now you are healed.
Honey, pour the little maid right now. I am in debt to you. The disease that I tried hide has healed. Thank you so much. From now on, you are my daughter.
Who made Naaman, who was angry, take his clothes off and wash? It wasn't Naaman himself or the servant, but it was God. Without that, it would have worked without trusting in God. So that is why we try hard not to sin and change ourselves because of misjudgment that things would work out if we try harder. If we truly want a change, you should give up trying to change and leave your heart in God's hands. Let the God who had changed Naaman take charge of you so that he can change you as well.